2. Gates open, they're up and racing. Panamera draws for your lead. Precious Meadow moving up by the railies. And 3, number 1, Aloha. In between runners is Loretta. Then moving up is and 3, number 6, Diamond Magic. Running by the rail, Peace and Love. Running in between runners, Extreme Connection. While Saber the Champagne is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 800. Aloha being joined by Diamond Magic on the outside. Loretta racing in third, moving up to take fourth, Peace and Love. Then running on the outside is Precious Meadow. Past the last 600, we have entry number 1, Aloha still leading the field. Diamond Magic is on the outside, closing in third, Peace and Love. Running on the outside, Precious Meadow, Panamera and Loretta as they swing for home. Aloha is still leading the field, running on the outside. Second now, Peace and Love by the release, Loretta with 150 to go. Aloha, Peace and Love is on the outside. We have Aloha, Peace and Love on the outside, giving the final burst of energy and leading the finish line. It's close between Aloha, Peace and Love, close finish between number 4A, Panamera, and number 4, Loretta.